Fun fact for you. The green text you see in the Matrix movies is actually sushi recipes. What's up, everyone? My name is Tyler and this is Earth's Cuisine. So the new Matrix movie comes out today, and that's why today I'm going to show you how to make some vegan Matrix sushi. Before we get started, however, if you are new to this channel, well, let me first welcome you. This is Earth's Cuisine. Here I make a lot of awesome vegan recipes that you won't find anywhere else. I review vegan products, and we talk a lot about eating more healthy and sustainably. So, if any of that sounds good to you, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a video. So for this recipe, you'll need 2 nori sheets, 1 cup of sushi rice, 1 red onion cut into thin, long strips, 1 red bell pepper cut into thin, long strips, 1 tablespoon of sweet and sour sauce, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. You will also need some red food coloring as well as some blue food coloring. All right, without any more delay, let's get cooking.
Shut up and sit down.
All right, and here we have our vegan Matrix sushi. If you would like to make the recipe, I'll have it down in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, don't forget to drop me a like on this video, share it with a friend, and of course, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you next time. Peace.